Want to upgrade your space without breaking the bank? These genius Temu smart home gadgets are designed to simplify your life in ways you never knew you needed. From clever lighting to hands-free helpers, they'll make your home feel smarter instantly. All the links are in the description below. This electric swatter zaps pests mid-air or right off the wall thanks to a clever rotating head that locks in place or swivels as you swing. The telescoping handle extends over 2 feet, so even ceiling invaders aren't safe. One press delivers a whopping 3,500 volts, enough to take down flies, wasps, and even sneaky gnats in a single pop. The built-in safety mesh keeps you protected, and the rechargeable battery powers through multiple bug hunting missions before needing a quick USB-C top-up. Grating cheese and slicing veggies doesn't have to leave your arms sore. This electric slicer takes care of it all with just the push of a button. It comes with 4 interchangeable blades so you can shred, slice, or julienne anything from cheese to carrots. No pre-cutting needed thanks to the wide chute. Everything drops straight into the built-in bowl for mess-free prep. Cleanup? Just pop off the parts and rinse, done in seconds. Peeling fruit shouldn't feel like a chore or a wrist workout. This clever little peeler glides through apple, pear, or peach skins without bruising the fruit underneath. Its foldable design fits perfectly in your hand and tucks away when you're done. Just press, twist, and watch the peel slide right off. No slipping, no strain, and no mess. It's simple, safe, and way more fun than your old knife. Turn your kitchen into an ice station with this compact little machine. Just pour in water or any drink you want frozen, and in about 7 minutes, you'll have cute bell-shaped ice ready to go. It makes a surprising amount, fast, and holds up to 3 liters, so you're not constantly refilling. Great for parties, hot days, or just chilling your favorite drinks on demand. Watching it work is almost as fun as using the ice. Tired of scrubbing microwave splatter after every meal? This foldable cover keeps your food from making a mess while doubling as a steamer to lock in moisture. It fits over large plates and bowls, folds down flat for storage, and even includes a built-in drip catcher to keep things extra clean. Plus, the integrated handle makes it super easy to lift. Everything's designed for convenience. No mess, no hassle. Small kitchen? No problem. This compact countertop dishwasher handles over 30 dishes at once without needing any installation. Just fill the built-in 5-liter tank, pick from 6 wash modes, including baby care and fruit rinse, and let it do the dirty work. It even dries everything with hot air and vents for hours to keep odors away. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or anyone tired of scrubbing by hand. Half a lemon, a slice of onion, or that last bit of avocado, don't let them go to waste. These reusable fruit and veggie keepers are shaped just like what they store, so they're easy to identify in a packed fridge. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and trap odors to keep your fridge fresh. Dishwasher safe and easy to reuse, they make storing cut produce way less annoying. Running out of space for your kitchen staples? This 5-layer rolling kitchen trolley gives you an instant storage upgrade without eating up your counters. The round, tiered design is perfect for stacking fruits, veggies, jars, or even small appliances, and the wheels make it easy to move around. Whether it's tucked in a corner or rolled out for easy access, it keeps your kitchen neat and organized. Dinner parties just got a major upgrade. This round bamboo charcuterie board starts as a compact wedge, then swivels open into a stunning multi-tiered display. It's got room for all your cheeses, fruits, and snacks, and even hides a built-in drawer with a full cheese knife set. The smooth bamboo finish looks elegant on any table. It's functional, fun to open, and guaranteed to impress your guests. Keep your spices neat, tidy, and always within reach. This clever organizer has 2 sliding compartments you can fill with your favorite seasonings. Just pull one out to grab what you need. No more digging through cluttered shelves. It's easy to install and fits right into most kitchen spaces. A simple upgrade that makes cooking way smoother. Turn any evening into a cozy experience with this sleek tabletop flame that doubles as a modern s'mores maker. Designed with tempered glass windshields for safety and style, it creates a clean, smoke-free flame. No soot or mess involved. Whether you're indoors or out, it adds instant ambiance. Great for gatherings, relaxing nights, or as a unique gift. Just add gel fuel and you're good to go. No tools, no screws, no hassle. This dish rack is ready to go straight out of the box. With 2 sturdy tiers, it's perfect for small kitchens and keeps your dishes, cups, and utensils neatly organized. The 360-degree rotating spout drains water right into the sink, no matter how your counter is set up. Rust-proof metal and a compact footprint make it both tough and space-saving. Great for everyday use without overcrowding your kitchen. Let's face it, your toothbrush deserves better. This wall-mounted holder doesn't just organize your bathroom, it zaps germs with built-in UV light while it's at it. You get space for the whole family, plus a handy toothpaste dispenser that keeps things mess-free. It even lights up to show when it's working or charging, so you're never guessing. Setup is simple, and your sink area finally gets the glow-up it needs. Want to turn veggies into fun, healthy spirals without the hassle? This 4-in-1 spiralizer lets you switch between blade styles with a simple rotation, so you can make noodles, ribbons, and more in seconds. The vertical design uses gravity to your advantage, while the strong suction cup base keeps it stable. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and makes prep faster whether you're slicing zucchini or sweet potatoes. Give your kitchen an instant upgrade with this sleek Waterfall Faucet that offers more than just good looks. You get 3 different modes: stream, spray, and pause. Perfect for everything from rinsing veggies to tackling dishes. The gentle cascading water adds a spa-like touch, while the adjustable neck makes it easy to direct the flow where you need it. Running out of closet space? This foldable pants rack stacks multiple pairs in one sleek organizer. The non-slip hangers keep everything in place. No more pants sliding to the floor. It folds flat when not in use, freeing up space instantly. Great for small wardrobes, tight shelves, or travel packing. It's a simple way to keep your pants neat, visible, and ready to grab. Cold toilet seats are a thing of the past. This rubber heater seat stays warm, soft, and flexible, making bathroom trips way more comfortable. It's waterproof, super bendy, and installs just like a regular toilet seat. No tools, no hassle, just instant coziness. A simple upgrade that makes a big difference, especially on chilly mornings. Say goodbye to messy, exhausting plunging. This air-powered toilet plunger builds up pressure with a few pumps, then blasts through clogs in one powerful shot. It works on toilets, sinks, and drains. No twisting or splashing required. Comes with a wall-mounted rack to keep it off the floor and ready to grab. Strong, simple, and way more effective than your old Plunger. Moving heavy furniture doesn't have to feel like a workout. These rotating ABS caster wheels stick right onto the bottom of anything you need to shift. Just rinse, heat with a blow dryer, and press them on. In seconds, bulky items glide across the floor like they're on ice. They spin smoothly in every direction and make rearranging your space totally effortless. No tools, no stress, just easy movement. Tired of toothpaste mess? This automatic dispenser keeps things clean, simple, and hands-free. Just peel and stick it to your wall and insert your toothpaste tube. To use, press your toothbrush into the slot, and it neatly applies the perfect amount. It's waterproof, and the inner parts pop out easily for a quick rinse. Smart, tidy, and super satisfying to use. Cleaning the toilet doesn't have to be boring. This cactus-shaped silicone brush adds a pop of fun while getting the job done. Its bendy bristles reach deep into tricky corners without scratching, and the sturdy handle keeps your grip steady. It's simple to rinse off and stands out in the best way. Who knew toilet cleaning could look this cute? Say goodbye to cluttered shelves and messy bags. This no drill hanger rack sticks right to your wall and gives you 10 adjustable clips for all your small essentials. Hang seasoning packets, snack bags, or even accessories in a clean, organized line. It's made of sturdy plastic and installs in seconds. No tools needed. Perfect for kitchens, closets, or anywhere you need a little extra order without taking up space. Shoelaces just got a serious upgrade. These colorful, elastic, no-tie laces snap right onto your shoes in seconds. No knots, no fuss. They stretch as you move, keeping things snug without ever feeling tight. Super easy to clean and built to last. They won't rip or fray like traditional laces. And the best part? They make every pair of shoes look way less boring. Turn your room into a glowing dreamscape. This RGB Aurora lamp swirls soft gradients of light that move and dance like jellyfish in water. It's sound activated, so it reacts to music, claps, or even your voice, creating a show that matches your vibe. The light is warm and gentle on the eyes, perfect for relaxing or setting a chill mood. Hang it, stand it, or carry it. It's fully rechargeable and USB powered. Your shower just got a serious upgrade. This LED shower head lights up in different colors depending on the water temperature, so you always know if it's too hot or just right. It's powered entirely by water pressure, meaning no batteries or wires to fuss with. The built-in display shows the exact temperature in real time. It's fun, functional, and turns every shower into a mini light show. Need a breeze that follows you around? This compact desktop fan packs a punch with dual-core air ducts that deliver strong airflow in a small package. It's USB rechargeable and lasts for hours, making it perfect for study sessions, office desks, or even outdoor camping. Quiet, portable, and easy to move wherever you go. Stay cool without the noise or the hassle.